guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. So today's video is going to be a first-hand impression and review about a product which I received from the brand named FEEKA. So the product I have here is the FEEKA ANION hair dryer, and this is how their packaging looks like. So first of all, let's take a moment and appreciate how premium this packaging looks like, and thank you FEEKA for sending me this hair dryer. So now time for a quick unboxing. So the FEEKA ANION hair dryer has a number of good things to offer. So they have the intelligent thermostatic care, powerful wind, magnetic concentrator, healthy low radiation, billions of anions and high speed motors. So these are the things they claim that the FEEKA ANION hair dryer has. So let's see what this is all about. So this is how the FEEKA ANION hair dryer looks like, and I really like their color combination, the black and the copper color. It looks very classy and elegant, I must say, and this is very lightweight, so it is the best to travel with. This actually comes with this plastic packaging which you can remove just before using it. So if you look at how this hair dryer looks like, so it just has two very simple buttons in the front. So one is for the power on and off, and also to adjust the different modes, which I'll be talking to you all in a moment. And so the other one is to adjust the speed, and it's just a click of button just this way. So it's like very easy to understand, and it's also very user friendly, I feel. So yes, this is how our actual product looks like. So once the plastic packaging is off, we can see a very matte finish. So this is the product. Very nice, like very impressed with how the packaging itself looks like. Another unique thing about this hair dryer is that it has magnetic concentrators, so you just have to do that and it is fixed. So just turn it in all directions, and also you can just remove it by just pulling it out. So it also comes with another attachment. This is the curly hair diffuser. So basically I am someone who has curly hair, and I'm pretty sure that this is something which will come in handy for me. Let's now see the functioning of this hair dryer. We have two buttons here, one for switching it on and off, and also to adjust the heat, another to manage the speed. When you press on this button here, the first mode is blue light. It gives out cold air. Press it again and it turns green, which gives a very light warm air. Press it again to turn it purple, and now you can feel light hot air. And now coming to the last mode, which is the red light. Here you can literally feel the hot air coming out. In order to switch off the hair dryer, you just need to long press the power button. Okay, so now it's time to put the product to test. Once I started using it, I felt that it does not give out a loud sound, and I also used the purple mode and red mode in order to dry and set my hair. The hot air is very tolerable, and I was surprised that it left my hair frizz-free and soft. So this is how my hair looks once I dried it and set it, and I'm pretty impressed with how well this hair dryer works for me. So this was my first-hand impression and review about the FEEKA ANION hair dryer. I absolutely loved using it, and I'm definitely recommending to anyone who is looking forward to invest in a very good hair dryer which doesn't do much damage to your hair. I will leave the purchase link to this product down in my description box, so you can go check it out, and if you like this product, you can definitely go purchase it. So yes, it's a complete yes for me. And once again, thank you FEEKA for sending me this product. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and I hope all of you found this video helpful. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.